Ready for a bath? Let's try this again. Oh. What are you doing down there? Huh? Let's flip it over. There you go. You can get off now. You can get off now. There you go. Is that better? Oops, I got it wet. Oh, does that feel good? It's her exotic sprayer. Yeah, see? That's nice and fresh. I finally found it. It's been hiding. It's been hiding. It just feels like a light mist. See? It's a light mist. Just water. Just water. There you go. How was that? Did that feel good? Huh? You don't mind that, do ya? See, we just pump it up. There. Got a little Epsom salt in the water today. How'd that feel? Oh, does it feel good? None in the sprayer though, that's just plain water. That's just plain spring water. Yes, right? Yeah. What are you doing? Where are you going? Huh? Oh, I gotta pump it up again. Feels good, doesn't it? Yeah. Here. How'd that feel? Is that good? We're done. We won't spray no more. Just wanted to get a little bit of mist on you. Let's get you walking around a little. You know? Is that better? Let the water out. You don't have to be in there that long, do you? I'm just spraying off your feet. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl. You ready to come out? Come here. How's that? Look at that. Ooh, that sprayer. Your mister does wonders, huh? Is that good? Yeah? You feel better? Oh, yeah. Get her off there. Ooh. Gotta make you look pretty. My pretty baby. Yeah. Gotta dry you off. Don't want you to get no cold drafts. Yeah. Does that feel better? Does that feel better? Huh? Shake that tail. There you go. Good girl. Oh, it's a pretty baby. You feel better? Yeah, you feel better? Oh, yeah. Oh, get that all off. Feels good, doesn't it? You're such a pretty baby. Yes, you are. You're a pretty baby. Does that feel good? Soak in some Epsom salt. Yeah. And spray it down with your mist sprayer. Yes. So good, baby.